It's a rainy day. That means it's perfect weather for the ducks. These are the Indian runner ducks that we hatched from some eggs. It's time for them to go to the back pasture too. They're very nervous creatures, so we'll have to carry them one by one. They're raising these ducks for their eggs and because they eat lots of bugs. There you go, ducks. I hope you like your new home. The goats are getting curious. Who's that moving into our barn? Hey, how did these guys get here? Watch our next video and find out.